Alec, I don't know about you, but I don't need any excuse for some ice cream, especially during the summer.
No.
And I know you've got the forecast for us now with a look at what's in store this week.
We should celebrate that as well here tonight at 16.
I think an ice cream order is in order for the newsroom.
Yes, I'm all in for that. So, yeah, so we had storms yesterday, Emily, but fortunately we are clear of those storms today and talk about a beautiful summer day. I don't think we could have asked for anything better than what we got today for sure. So let's take a look outside, what's going on right now in our backyard. We'll take a look at 81. You can see it is moving along smoothly this Sunday evening. We have temperatures right now in the backyard, 76 degrees, and the sun is beaming out there. In fact, it's kind of in my eyes here as I'm starting to present the weather for you. So, and we have a low wind with very low humidity. Now, yesterday, if you're watching, we had humidity levels that were up in the 80 and almost 90%, today at 36%. So it is a very dry atmosphere. You see quite a bit of moisture going across the country, but locally here in our area, next to nothing. Just a few clouds that are out there, a little bit of haze from some leftover smoke from those wildfires, but not even enough to indicate or to warrant one of those numeric warning levels of smoke. So we don't have to really worry about that as well. So we have 70s that are peppering the area. Williamsport is out there with the 80, Elysburg down there with the 80 as well. And we have low 70s out there in the northwestern part of our viewing area as well. And that'll just go down overnight. With clear skies tonight, we're going to lose some of that heat. And it's going to be a little bit cooler of a night tonight because the fact that there is no cloud cover. When there's no cloud cover, we'll just lose most of it. We'll have temperatures tonight in the 50s. We haven't seen that in a while either. Low 50s. In some cases, I think some places will even be in the higher 40s. Monday, I don't think we can have another day as perfect as this, but I'm going to call it the perfect summer day for tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday and maybe even lingering into Wednesday morning, but Thursday and Friday this week are looking good. So let's take a look at the mid-levels of the atmosphere. We see this heat dome out here towards the west. We see a push of cooler, drier air that we saw from that cold front yesterday, but our next situation is going to be this thing right here. That's that low pressure system that's going to be moving through on Tuesday. When that comes through, what it's going to do is provide some uplift in the atmosphere and a little bit of storminess. Tomorrow, high pressure, great day. Tuesday, you can see some of these storms could be strong and severe, so it could be a kind of a repeat of what we had yesterday. So we will have to be weather aware coming into Tuesday. Of course, we will make you aware of all those storms on Tuesday, and some of them could even linger into Wednesday morning. So let's plan our day out for tomorrow. Nothing to really talk about on future radar, just a beautiful summer day with temperatures in the high 70s and the low 80s. Tuesday, it'll kick off even in the morning. We'll start to see showers spawning off early in the morning on Tuesday. Then as the day goes on, we'll get a little bit of a break right around midday for the eastern part, but the storms will continue to kick up and spawn off in the western part of the viewing area Tuesday afternoon. And then I think they get really strong later Tuesday afternoon. Again, gusty winds, cloud to ground lightning. I think there's even a chance for even some maybe flash flooding in some certain areas as well. They will continue to push on through Tuesday afternoon, and they will not be out of the area till about Tuesday evening, late Tuesday evening. So from there, we have that little bit of a ridge that's we're going to see. Tuesday, the jet stream drops down. That's the instability. Friday, Thursday, and Friday, it lifts back up. So that means a nice into the week at least. So there's the storms on Tuesday. Wednesday, the cold front will push through. So I think Wednesday morning will be a little unstable, but I think Wednesday afternoon is actually looking pretty good. Thursday right now with the high pressure system to the west of us looks great. Friday looks really nice as well. That rain I think will stay south. Maybe the chance of an isolated shower on Saturday. So really good end of the week. Tomorrow I'm calling for 81 in this backyard. Very comfortable dew points tomorrow as well. So overnight tonight with those clear conditions, we'll lose the heating of the day. Low of around 51. And I think some of you will actually see temperatures in the higher 40s as well. But beautiful start to the week. Unsettled weather there on Tuesday and maybe into Wednesday morning, but that'll leave us, Emily, by Wednesday afternoon, and then a nice looking into the week as well. So, hey, we'll take it. I mean, it's not as hot as it was the week before, but we'll take high 70s and low 80s, right?
It's summer.
It's summer.
Bring the sunshine with a side of ice cream.
That's right. That's right.
Thank you, Alec.
Yep.